Hey guys, today is training Wednesday. I want to talk about bend strategy. Okay, it's a lot of guys are talking about it in the VIP group, and the reason I want to make a video on it is because it's a very simple and easy to use strategy. In my eyes, it's just following a set of rules and that's it. It's not trading whatsoever. You don't necessarily have to follow the trend. You don't necessarily have to worry about highs and lows. It's just following a strategy, you know. And in my eyes, if you can't do that, then you never will be a trader. Okay, you know, it couldn't be more simpler than that. You know, an average trader has to learn trends, support and resistance, you know, Fibonacci levels, maybe harmonic patterns, pivot points. You don't need none of that. You just need to learn the strategy, and that's it. Okay, and it brings me on to my my strategy and money management. Okay, you need both of them. Okay, you can't have one and not the other. You have to have both of them, both a profitable strategy and a money management plan. And it's pretty simple, you know. This bend strategy is our strategy, and our money management plan is whatever money management plan you want. It could be 5 trades a day, 3 trades a day, you know, whatever it is. Okay, but our strategy involves being patient, okay, waiting for those setups to happen. Okay, it might take 10 minutes, it might take half an hour, it might take an hour. If that's the case, you have to wait an hour. You know, some days you might get 3 setups in half an hour. You don't know, each day is different. You need discipline. Okay, you have to follow your strategy, okay, regardless. Okay, if you don't follow your strategy, you start breaking your rules, and then eventually you start getting completely distracted and you go, oh, that strategy never worked anyway, but you never actually used the strategy because you were too busy not following it. You know, you followed it for probably about 2 days, got bored of it, and started taking trades where only half of your rules were met. You know, and therefore it's a big slippery road downhill from there. And the last one is emotions. Don't trade with emotions. You take a trade, you lose it, walk away. Okay, there's no need to get all, you know, emotional about it. That's trading. Businesses have expenses, trading has losses. Our idea is to make more profits than losses. And the second one is our money management plan. Again, discipline. You need to stick to your money management plan. You need to follow it, and you need to make sure you have the correct risk. That let me give you a good example. 5 trades a day. You take only 5 trades a day. If you get 3 wins in a row, you walk away. You get 2 losses in a row, you walk away. Okay, the best you'll get is 3-2. You might get 3-1. You might get 3-0. The worst you'll get is 2 losses in a row, and that's it. That's you walked away. Okay, so there's our money management plan, our strategy. Okay, and this is our strategy. Now, this is actually Ben's strategy here. You can see it's just a simple bend strategy. Okay, watch my previous video. And what Mark was doing, he touched on it earlier, was just taking every arrow. He was just taking the arrows with the trend. So I suppose this here, if I zoom in, okay, you could count this would be a nice trade with the trend, and he was taking 30-minute trades. So we are on the 1 minute time frame, and we're trading 30-minute trades. Okay, pretty simple rules. If the price is above the moving average, we take put trades. If the price is below it, we're taking call trades. So let's just have a look at the 30-minute trades that we could have won. So the price is above the moving average, the signal hours appears, 30-minute trade, wins. Again here, wins. You wouldn't take this one. You would wait for that green arrow to be below this line here, below the moving average. So here, you see how the price is below the moving average. You take call trades. Again, 30-minute trade, wins. you know, look at this, 2 reds which are above the moving average, they win. Okay, that one would have lost. Okay, but look at these again, the price is above, the price is below the moving average. Okay, forget this yellow line here. Let me just delete the white line so you don't get confused. There we go, make it even more clearer for you. You see how the price is below the moving average? 30-minute trade would have won. Again here, price is below the moving average, 30-minute trade wins. You wouldn't take this signal here because you need this red candle to be above this moving average, like here. Okay, look again here, price is above it, 30-minute trade wins. Okay, now what I've actually done, okay, and I've added a 100 moving average. Okay, you can see it in there. The reason I've added it in is because it's going to help you guys trade with the trend. Okay, this could not be any more simpler. Okay, you know, the arrows are powerful as it is. You can't get it, in my eyes, if you can't get this strategy, you shouldn't be trading, because it's not even trading, it's just following a set of rules. You know, I can trade, let me give you an example, I can trade and make profits. I look at the way Simon Hook trades sometimes and I think, cool, you know, he's a very technical and good trader, you know, far more technical than that I do when I trade. But this here doesn't involve any technical analysis. You know, you don't need to look at no big trends or no overall support and resistance. It's just following the rules. Okay, what are the rules? This line, see this space here, okay, that there, I mean look, I've just took 2 cool trades on USD Chef and look at these trades rising. I think they're all just about to close. Yeah, they are. Well, they'll close in profit anyway. But this here is where we want to be taking the trades. So to break it down to you, this is our middle line. You know, we've adjusted the binary destroyer. We've adjusted the binary destroyer buy and sell zones. Okay. I'll find you the settings. Okay, so I've adjusted the BD price lines. Okay, and you can see our half length is 61, our ATR multiplier 1 is 110, our multiplier 2 is 0.0. okay, and that gives us our line here, our green line. Okay, you can change it any colour you want, but it's a green line. Okay, now let me try and find you some trades. Okay, here's a good trade. What's this? USD JPY. Okay, let's jump into, I need to so I'm going to take a 30-minute call trade in. Okay, 30-minute call trade. So I want to tell you why I took USD JPY. So you see this space, I mean USD Chef, sorry about that. You see this space here, okay, this is where we want to be taking trades. Okay, this is a 100 moving average, which tells us our trend. Okay, if the green is below the blue, it's a downtrend. Okay, can you see that? If the price is, if the green line is below the blue line, it's a downtrend. The price has now crossed, okay, the green has now crossed the blue and we're now below it. Okay, the blue line is now below the green, so we're now in a uptrend. Okay, downtrend, price crosses over, uptrend. Okay, now this space here is where we want to be taking trades. So I can see the price has crossed this line here. Okay, we are now in an uptrend. The blue line is below the green line, So to me, it's an uptrend. So I take every green arrow that is in this space only, this space, okay? Okay, this space only. It doesn't matter if the green arrow, okay, is above there or below there. The green arrow with the signal candle has to be in this little space here. Okay, look at USD JPY. Look, let me delete that yellow line and you'll see, delete the moving average. There we go. So look, okay, let's go back to beginning. Okay, the blue line, I'll zoom in so you can see it better. The blue line has crossed below that green line. Okay, so what does that tell us? We're in an uptrend. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. Okay, uptrend, uptrend, uptrend until I got to this here. Why was this a trade? Because that signal arrow was in this space here. Okay, this one wasn't. Look where that signal arrow was, signal candle was. That's not meeting the rules. But this one is. It's in between this space. Okay, let's go down. That one isn't. Nope. Even though that one would have won, it's not. It's above it. This one would have won. This one would have won by a lot because it's in between this space here. Okay, it wins. Again, you could count this one here. That would have won as well, actually. 30-minute trade would have won. Okay, so 1 minute time frame, 30-minute trades. Now, this might take you, I don't know, might take you a week, might take you a month, couple of months, whatever. Okay, you will eventually pick it up, and that's the key. Okay, you know, I see some people come into the binary destroyer group and from day one they smash it. Okay, and some people, you know, they after the first month they give up and they say, oh, I've tried it, it didn't work. A month. Come on, guys. Okay, trading, you can earn as much money as you can. Okay, you can earn more money than a doctor, you can earn more money than a lawyer. Okay, and look how long lawyers have to go to university for. Look how long doctors have to go to university for. Years. Okay, and there's you thinking because something doesn't work for you in 1 month you give up. Okay, this has the potential to earn you more money than you could ever possibly imagine. Okay, but it's going to take you a lot longer than 1 month. Okay, some people might pick it up in a month, they might pick it up in the first week. Okay, but if it takes you a month, a year, whatever, okay, it will take you, you know, you will get there. But we can see this is with the trend now. Okay, it's shooting up. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Okay, let me try and find you another trade. You see here, let me delete that moving average again. So you see how the blue line is now above. That blue line is above that line, yeah? Okay. All this space here. None of these are signal arrows. Okay. None of these are signal arrows because look, the price, look at that candle, is not in that space. As we come down, that one is. Okay. You know, we're currently 17 minutes into that trade. That will probably be a winner. Okay, this is the first time I've used this and I've tested it. You know, I mean, look again. Look, price in there, win. But you see, we're going. The good thing about this is we're going with the trend. Okay, we're going. Look, if you look at the 5 minutes, okay, and 15 minutes, okay, we're clearly trending up. Look at these, look at the 30-minute time frame. Look at these big green candles. Look at them. Big, you know, one after another, bang, bang, bang. There is a lot of bullish momentum in that market, a lot of it. Okay, so when you go over to the 1 minute time frame, okay, we are with the trend. Okay, so let's recap. 1 minute time frame, 30-minute trades. We've got our blue EMA, okay, and obviously we changed our price bands using that green one, okay. The price, if the blue line is below the moving average, below the green, we're in an uptrend. If the blue line is above the green, it is a downtrend. Look at this here. Look at this nice signal here. Wins. 30-minute trade with the trend wins. Now, I can see this trade slowing down. Let me just have a look at what it's saying. No, I'm pretty sure that will still be a winner. Maybe it might work with 15-minute trades. I don't know. Let me try and find you another. I mean, look at Euro USD. Still dropping. That was a beautiful signal. That was. Okay. Now, only trade this when you get this kind of setup here. Only. Okay. This here. Let me give you an example. This here is not a setup, because look at the price. It's zigzagging all the way in. Okay, you could count this trade here. Well, you could count that. No, I wouldn't. Do I count that? Actually, no, you would count that. Yeah. Okay, here's a good example. Look, blue line below the green. What's that mean? Uptrend. Signal arrow. Yep, it's in that space, in between that space. Again, 30-minute trade wins. Do I take this green? So that one we would have won. Do we take this one? No, we don't. Even though, yes, it's an uptrend, and yes, you would have won that. It's not meeting our rules. Okay, so remember what I said. Write our rules down. Okay, USD is still climbing. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and I will come back. I'll come back in 20 minutes, and you can see either this trade is a win or a loss. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah, I just want to show you this quick example. Look, USD CAD price. Look, when the price is like this, like look, flowing in and out. That's not a good time to trade. Okay, look, it's going up and down. It's like a, I don't know, braid or something. But look, okay, and then we went up to an uptrend, and look at all these trades. Look at them. That one there, that one here. Okay, all of them. Okay, I think USD dropping now. We'll see what happens. But look, okay, that one there is a beautiful winner. Okay, that one there. Again, it's half in and half out of the of that space, but maybe it might be a winner. We don't know. I'll let you know in 11 minutes. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Hi guys, I think I've got 11 minutes to go, but I mean, look, it's pretty much gonna be a winner unless that suddenly drops. But yeah, you can see, look, it's still on climbing. It's still meeting the rules. Okay. So I just want to show you quickly, because obviously the green price bands, middle line does move. We all aware it does move. Okay, but look at the two trades. Okay, USD CAD. Look at it. That one would have won. Okay, that one would have won. So actually 27 minutes. Yeah. So that one would have been first nil, 2-0. Okay, USD JPY, we took that one, so that's 3-0. Okay, that Euro USD Euro USD trade I was on about. Look, that's a winner. 30 minutes, that's a nice winner. And also USD chef trade, which I also took at the beginning of this video. You can see here, big payout there. That one was because of this 211 here. You can see I took that one for 30-minute trade, and then I re-entered again this one with a 30-minute trade. So you can see both of them would have been a winner. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6, so there would have been 6-0. There's no point looking back and trying to do some back testing on this, because obviously the price lines do move, but you can see there, you know, you can see, you know, they're going to be a winner. I'm just going to pause the video and we can actually come back in 10 minutes and see if that USD CAD trade does come in. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll see what happens. I'll come back. I think I'm just about to lose this trade actually. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Is because look, it's actually, if you look at the higher time frames, it's making lower highs. This is not part of the strategy. I just want to show you something. Look at the small-ish trend. You see how it's starting to go down now, making lower highs. But the let's see again. But I mean, look, now the price is rejected straight off that zone, so we are still, you know, we've got 5 minutes to go. This will still be a winner, I think. But you see how the lines are getting smaller and smaller together. You see that the blue's getting closer to the green. What does that tell me? That is now, that green is now likely to cross and start going down, and then the blue will be on top of the green. So this is literally at the top of this giant uptrend. You see this uptrend here, okay? We are at the top of it. I think in the next half an hour this will just start heading down. But this is good, okay? You need to learn these things, okay? You know, what we're trading, okay, is the pullback, okay? We're trading with the trend because our blue is below the green, so we're trading with the trend, okay? And we're waiting for the green to be, the signal arrow to be in between them, okay? I mean, 5 minutes ago, I mean, hopefully this wins. But I'll pause the video, I'll come back. Hi guys, so I've got 3 minutes to go, and it's going to be one of them trades, you know, that's just, it's dropping. Okay, this is dropping now. It'd be a good time to take a sell trade now, but we won't take a sell trade. So we've got 3 minutes to go. Is there any other setups? That Euro USD was a nice winner there. Look at that one. USD Chef. You see, look at USD Chef. If I get a green signal arrow in between these lines now, I'll take a trade. There's nothing really else. I think, oh, it's one of them. Look at that. Look at that mountain. Goes all the way up and comes all the way down. It's funny actually, because look, okay, this is IQ options for you, okay, this is IQ options, a 30-minute trade, okay. Let me just draw where I got into a trade. Okay, look, I would have got into that trade there. Okay, so let's count 30 candles from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we actually would have won that trade. But I think we actually took a 35-minute trade. But I think we might win this. I don't know. But I can tell you now, we are. You see, look. You see how that green is now crossing below it. We're still fighting. nothing really. There's no other setups that really. USD Chef again. Look, if I get a green arrow here in this zone here, I could take another trade just there. "48 seconds to go." Well, now, how many of you guys have done this? Oh, winner, come on, come on. USD Chef's dropping. Okay, that's going to be a winner. So yeah, you know, you can see that it actually does work. So yeah, let me know then how you guys get on with this strategy. Yeah, you know, try it out. Let me know how you get on with a week, and then we can recap it next week, and let me know how you got on. Thank you.